I'm Roan and I'm going to show you how to make a flapping bird. You fold it diagonally across the middle so you've got a big triangle. Then you cut it across the line that here. Then you unfold it and fold it across diagonally in the opposite direction, and you fold it across like this, so you've got a star. Then, to start on the preliminary base, you fold that across, and then you fold it on this line that you made before, the crease, and you do the same on the other side. And push down on the top. Then, you fold this across, make sure it's on the side that opens up. And fold the top bit down so you have a diamond shape. Then you unfold it. Open up the flap and then pull out this part. And then fold in the loose parts. So you have a triangle shaped. Fold. Then you do the same on the other side. Once you've done this, you fold it like that. Then you fold the wings up. The head, the neck, and the tail down. Then once you've done that, you open the neck up, push the top bit down, and then close it back up again to make the head. You can hold it by the bottom of the wings and pull the tail to make it flap.